Hi, my name's Robbie Ferreira. My friends call me Bobby, and now you can too. You may recognize me from popular YouTube videos such as And now I'm here. Same me, different name. I actually seriously need you guys' help though, so just let me just hear me out for 5 seconds. I genuinely need you guys to help me do something in this video. Those videos that I just showed you guys are actually the reason that we are making this channel right here. So over the years, we've put tons of time into not only building really cool and fun cars, but into videos, making them fun and entertaining to watch and entertaining to be a part of. And you know that recently, coming back from me taking like almost a year off, I told you guys that there was a bunch of new things I wanted to try and some things I wanted to sort out. And so that's kind of what we've been working on for the last few weeks. So this Blazer is a great example. This video was fun. It took a lot of time and a lot of effort to make, and it was a very fun final product video. The thing with what we've been doing on what is now the main channel, which is super weird to say, but periodically I do these videos where they're super fun and they take a lot of time and they take a lot of planning and everything, and they just kind of get washed up for the most part in like regularly uploaded content. Remember, not to go anywhere, I actually still really need your help. You guys know when I took a break, when I came back, I was trying to find ways to not get burnt out, and this is kind of like the best thing I can find for my mental health. And I know that a lot of people are not going to understand why I would severance the channel and move content in this direction. I would prefer to build this whole car in one video. The problem is real life just doesn't work that way. Sponsors don't work that way. Parts, ordering, shipping, none of that works that way, and it sucks. But most of the things you guys see on YouTube take months of planning to build up to and then are executed all at once, and they have teams and they have tons more than I do right now, at least. Thus, introducing Bobby. I don't like telling people my plan because plans never work out, but the goal here is to have Robbie Ferreira be videos like the Blazer video. I know not everybody watched that video because they don't even know what it is actually, because they haven't even clicked it, but that video is like a content-packed like week of filming in one video, and it's super fun. And we've been gearing up to get closer and closer to those videos. Even with the Genesis, like I said, we did like in 2 videos, we did so much work. Like before I took my break, I would have made that into probably like 7 or 8 different videos. And I like it. It's fun to have everything more jammed up, but it doesn't always happen in time. Sometimes it might take 3 months to build a car just to get one big video out. What I'm trying to say in simplest form is that my normal, regular videos that you guys all watch are now gonna take place here on this channel. Every video almost that you guys have ever seen is gonna be here, normal content. And we're gonna work hard on big projects for the main channel, the swap in the Genesis. That's gonna take us, I'm gonna bleep it, don't worry, they're not gonna f***ing know. That's gonna take us weeks and weeks of building and fabricating and stuff to make that happen. And I just wanna give you guys an awesome big video. And then on this channel, we'll break down how we did all the little things, how it all went. Still give you guys that like regular uploads. And to me, that's the way that it makes the most sense. That's the way that I'm able to have the most fun, to relieve all the stress, because I know that like my goal will be to make those videos really big and fun. And these are just videos. You have 2 incoming already. What I'm trying to say is you need to be subscribed to this channel to keep following me. That's it. If you're not subscribed to this channel, you will no longer be following me and us and our content and cars and lives. You'll be getting a video every couple weeks or month. You're gonna miss out. And so that's the idea of the Bobby channel. So on my channel, I always had these restrictions and like guidelines I gave myself to make videos with. And the Bobby channel is just gonna kind of be a free-for-all. Like something like this, for example. I would never introduce this vehicle to you guys because the progress is very slow. It's not like a cool car. It's just my friend Jordy's van.
It's a cool car.
Well, that's up for debate. But the point is, like, dude, look, okay? This is Jordy. You guys know him as the guy that turns the mic off and ruins every video that he's in.
Are you gonna cut the
I might. But the point is, this like literally last night, what did we do?
Install the windows?
We installed windows on Jordy's van.
That's a big deal.
This was an Amazon delivery van, not a window van.
Sun City Co.
Sun City Co, whatever the that is. And we came out here and installed windows. I would never make that a video, but like, it's cool and you guys would probably be interested in seeing it, a lot of it, right? So like, these are things I would love to share. I just have restricted myself to not share. The main catch here with the new channel is that you need 4,000 hours of watch time to be able to monetize it. So we've already been making videos. We've been putting time into things like this sweet license plate bracket. You guys know I've never had a license plate on the BRZ. Look at this thing. Invisible license plate bracket. Sweet video. Not releasing it until we can monetize the channel because that's literally how we make a living. So everybody's day is always full of just jumble and information and content and too much shit. So for the next 10 minutes, I don't care if you put your phone down and you leave the room, but we are not leaving. We're gonna sit with you guys right here. You're gonna get a nice, peaceful, quiet beach shot of the BRZ. Me and Jordy are just gonna sit in 10 minutes of just not bombarded by content silence. And if you guys could just let this run, we'll be able to monetize this channel. We'll be able to keep moving with everything that we have planned. So I would love you guys for sticking around. Let me air this thing down. Enjoy the next 10 minutes. Oh no, the battery's flashing. Okay, we're back. Let's air this puppy out. Enjoy.
appreciate that. Thanks. It's a nice car. I don't want to even get close to it. Right?
Thanks.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah. Picked like the quietest road ever, and right where we get kids.
I do think that's like funny, visual, entertainment.
I actually think it'd be great because like halfway through, just something's happening. So anybody's like, whoa, what's going on? 10 minutes is up already. Yeah, we're like halfway through. Yeah. I think it was funny that he asked what vlog, like he knew what we were doing.
Because it looks like a photo.
Yeah. I would assume this is a photo.
Yeah, same.
Because unless we're mic'd
like
up.
sitting and posing.
Yeah. It looks like we're taking a photo.
He was cool. This guy. I don't even want to get close to that.
You could have stuck it in there, no?
Yeah. Yeah, like the way that you get into the driveway.
Yeah, you just drive up and then crank it in. Yeah. But everybody has their own thing. It'd be awesome if you just started up a couple pulling mowers.
Yeah. I mean, it looks very sandy there. More like bush trimming.
Yeah. Weed killing.
Yeah.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, it kind of hurts them.
Yeah, it's not a very squishy stick. No.
Yeah, I can't wait for you to meet Margot one day.
Yeah, oh yeah, that would have sucked. Easy 10. So, dude, thank you guys. Oh, my foot was slipping. I'm gonna show you guys. Oh, is this on? We should check that. Haha. I'm gonna give you guys a couple rollers that we took for yesterday's video for the license plate thing that we were doing. And just thank you for everybody that just sat there for 10 minutes and watched and helped. It actually means a lot to anybody that's literally here right now. So enjoy these rollers. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out. Stay committed.